Good morning, fellow traders. Public here. It's time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Thursday, January the 7th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great night last night. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. All right, awesome, good. All right, let's check and see where we left the market yesterday. So SPX, a little bit of a push yesterday in the morning, and then a little bit of a pullback, but still a monthly chart here close to the upper Bollinger Band. Weekly chart after the gap fill, putting a lower shadow right here, and it still looks like we've got this 1-2-1-2 in process where we try to work our way up to the top of the channel here, which gets us into the 38 30s-ish area, so we can see if we can do that. We did get an upper shadow yesterday, but doesn't mean that this isn't a first kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, and we see like a fifth wave push to the upside here on SPX. So let's take a look at the SPY and see how it's behaving here this morning. Again, volume started to pick up yesterday because of the DC drama that was going on, and right now it actually looks kind of like a little bit like a double top here going into the morning. So we'll see how that holds if we end up retesting the scene of the breakout right here out of the triangle, or if they try to rally off of these levels right here and start to push things back up. So we'll see how that goes here going into today. Let's take a look at some of our futures levels here. So again, we got this geometric line right here that we're still holding. Big signal zone from yesterday, right? So this was a very, very impulsive wave up. I mean, kind of count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. If this was the impulsive wave up here, then we kind of have this A, B, C formation right here and holding this geometric line. If that's the case, we could see another impulsive move to the upside to support that bullish theory. So we'll see how that goes going into today. And of course, MES, same geometric lines. But we'll definitely keep track of these going into today. Yesterday was the triangle breakout, right? So today, again, we're just going to kind of see how it holds this geometric line going into the morning. Don't forget, we have job numbers today. We got a lot of Fed speakers today, so we'll see how that goes. Otherwise, ascending triangle, potential breakout there later. We'll see how that goes. Okay, otherwise a breakdown. Watch out for the seed of the breakout from yesterday. A little bit of bull flaggish type move there on the Qs here this morning. Was getting a little consolidated right here. Again, kind of an up move, sideways down move, and then a little bit of a push up here as we head into the pre-market time frame. So we'll see how that goes going into today. The IWM, again, has been holding its trend. The only thing I caution about is a potential shoulder, head, shoulder breakdown of the IWM, just in case, tensions start to increase and more selling pressure gets in there. So XLF had a huge day yesterday. It's kind of ticking a bit higher here this morning. A little bit of caution. We'll take a look at Bank of America later for Elite Access members, but we'll see how it goes. If it continues to hold strength today, obviously as go the bank, so goes the market. So we'll see how that goes here today. Other than that, let's take a look at a couple other names. So we've got Apple. Okay, so Apple kind of hanging in there. It had a great move yesterday, right? Nice breakout. We talked about that last night on the live stream, right? Got into the prior day's range, found some resistance here on the after hours levels, right? And then worked its way back down pretty sharply with the rest of the market. So it's trying to grind its way up here this morning. Let's take a look at Tesla. So Tesla got an upgrade this morning. We're going to keep it on the gap and go radar today, right? Looks like a gap above all-time highs. Get another upgrade over this 781.30 level with some increased volume. Could get interesting for Tesla. So definitely want to keep an eye on the radar. And sometimes we call it Tesla Thursday, thanks to a member's idea there, because Tesla does tend to trade a little bit better. Premium's a little bit better on Thursdays, and Fridays, of course, can get some big momentum moves if the setups are there. So we'll see how that goes going into today. Other than that, guys, I appreciate everybody for tuning in here for the free video. The rest of the video, we're going to go over several other stock names and 2 fresh Elliott wave counts from Paul, Algo382, for our Bubble Report subscribers and for our Elite Access members. So anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in for this, and we'll catch you on the next one. Until then, stay healthy out there. Remember, risk first and stay safe so you stay in the game. And we'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to get more in-depth video coverage on the stocks or setups that are on our radar, be sure to join our group or subscribe to the Bubble Report for more morning analysis. The Bubble Report includes S&P 500 review, also a market profile game plan on the S&P futures, sector updates, gappers, orbs, unusual option activity, economic calendar, and we also have Elliott wave counts that are on our radar made by Algo382. Be sure to click the link at the end of this video to subscribe today.